Here are today's world news headlines, April 2026, newspaper backhand index pointing down. Globe showing Europe-Africa top world news headlines. 1. United States, political and economic updates. U.S. main economic policies or inflation par debate tes ho rahi hai. Elections kuhail se political tension bar raha hai. 2. China, tech and trade news. China ni AI or semiconductor sector main ne investments announce kai. Global trade relations par iska asar expected high. 3. Russia-Ukraine war. War abhi jari hai. Recent attacks or peace talks dono chal rahi hain. Europe security concerns barh hain. 4. Globe showing Europe-Africa United Nations statement. UN global peace or climate change par urgent action ki appeal ki. Humanitarian aid increase karne ki gai. 5. Pakistan, local plus global impact. Pakistan main economic challenges or IMF talks continue. Energy crisis or inflation logon ko liye major issue high. 6. Thermometer climate alert. Extreme weather conditions, heat waves and floods, different countries' main report ho rahi hain. Scientists ni warning di high ko climate crisis fast ho raha hai.